Parliament, one of the world's most iconic legislative buildings, is at a breaking point. Fresh proposals warn that restoring the Palace of Westminster could take up to 61 years and cost nearly £40 billion if lawmakers continue working inside the building during repairs. The crisis stems from decades of underinvestment and patchwork fixes. Much of the palace dates back to the Victorian era, with some sections even older. Its wiring, heating, sewerage systems and structural fabric have deteriorated completely. Maintaining the estate already costs around £1.5 million every week. Since 2016, there have been 36 fire incidents, including 12 involving asbestos and 19 linked to falling stonework. Large sections of the House of Lords face potential heating failures, and reinforced concrete concerns have forced permanent toilet closures in some areas. Officials now say delay is no longer sustainable. Every year without a decision adds an estimated £70 million to the final bill. Lawmakers face two main options. If Parliament agrees to a full decant, meaning MPs and peers temporarily relocate, restoration could take 19 to 24 years and cost up to €15.6 billion. Engineers could get full access starting 2032. If MPs choose to remain while work happens in phases, the timeline could stretch between 38 and 61 years, with costs rising to nearly £39.2 billion due to complexity of construction around active chambers. An initial 7-year phase costing up to £3 billion has been proposed, including refurbishing Victoria Tower and constructing a jetty on the River Thames for material transport. The costs will ultimately fall on Britain's 34.5 million taxpayers. Under the most expensive option, each taxpayer would contribute roughly £1,136. Now contrast this with India. India inaugurated a brand new parliament building in May 2023. Construction formally began in January 2021 and was completed in just over 3 years. The estimated cost stood at Rs 1200 crore, approximately £98 million. Importantly, India kept its old parliament fully operational while ensuring the new one alongside it, ensuring no legislative disruption. While Britain debates restoration versus relocation, India delivered a modern, earthquake-resistant complex with expanded seating capacity in record time and at a fraction of the projected UK cost. The question now facing Westminster is simple: rebuild slowly at enormous expense or take bold action before the costs climb even higher. With Harsh Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today Global.